On today's episode, we are going to be talking about Liqui Moly workshop products. For our workshops and professionals, we have the Liqui Moly Pro line products, which also includes the additive, but this time the Pro line version, which has higher concentrations and volume and are meant solely for professional use. We have our Moto Clean, which is best for cleaning and flushing out residue and debris from the engine. This is done during an oil change. This removes and dissolves sludge, which is drained along with the waste oil during an oil change, leaving your engine looking new and optimizing the performance of your engine. We also have our Geartronic, which is a fully automatic ATF oil changing device. This is specially designed for professional replacement of ATF fluids. For our car workshop, this is the best product for you if you don't want any problems with your oil transmission change. As usual, always remember to lubricate before it's too late.